Hi guys, welcome to RT Studio. I'm Kara.
And I'm Kason.
And this is Zella.
Ooh.
Say hi, Zella. Hi! Okay, I'm gonna let her go. And this is my bitty friend, Bella. Say hi, Bella. She's such a sweet puppy girl. Yes. Kason, do you want to tell everyone what we're gonna draw today?
Yes, I will. We're going to draw a pug.
We're going to draw a pug. So we are going to draw this cute pug, and we are going to go step by step. And so all you guys have to do is follow along. So are you guys ready to draw this pug and get artsy? You're going to need a few things to get started. First, you're going to need a sheet of paper. You're going to need Sharpie. You're going to need a pencil, and you're going to need some crayons or some colors or some watercolors to color this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my paper down this way. It's going to go landscape and not portrait. So I'm going to start on this side of my paper, and I'm going to go halfway down, and I'm going to draw a large curved triangle. And what I mean by curved triangle is we're not going to do sharp points. We're going to make it have curve points all the way around, just like this. So I'm going halfway down. I'm going to make a pretty large curved triangle. So no pointy points, just a curve. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to curve it. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to curve it. I'm going to come back up here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a V shape or a more pointy U that's coming down here. So that's going to be our puppy's nose. And then we want to make our anchor or our hooks. So I'm going to do a J from there. And I'm going to do a backwards J here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a U shape underneath that for our puppy's tongue. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is the parentheses. So I'm going to make pretty large parentheses shapes or curved lines on each side of our curved triangle. And then I'm going to draw two large circles. One, two. And then I'm going to do large circles inside that. And then I'm going to fill in all these lines, all the circle, and leave a little bit of white in there for the eyes. I'm going to fill my nose in as well. The next thing I'm going to do is start on the ears. So the ears are triangle shapes as well. So we're going to do a curved triangle. And if they come over, that's fine. And then I'm going to do another curved triangle on the other. And then I'm just going to connect it. So those we can fill in as well. And pugs have wrinkles, so we're going to put wrinkles on our pug's face. So we're going to do almost a V shape, a squished V or a bird. And do a V wrinkle here, and we'll do a little wrinkle there. The next thing we're going to do is start on his body. So we're going to go to the side of his tongue here and come down. And we're going to draw a really long W. So I'm going to start here, do like I'm drawing a W, and I'm going to stop at this point so that I can bring his body over. I'm going to bring his body over a little bit, and then I'm going to do like I'm going to draw another W, but I'm going to keep going up, and I'm going to curve his bottom and take it halfway to his head. Now you're going to add the other leg here. So we're just going to make a really long U shape. So his other leg's back, looks like it's back there behind that leg. And then all we have to do is add his curly tail. So you're just going to do a curly Q right from his bottom. When you guys are done, make sure that you use your Sharpie to go around like I did and fill in all the black spots. And then you can color your pug any way that you want. And then you guys are done. Thank you guys for getting artsy with us. You guys are done. That was so awesome. So if you guys enjoyed our video, please subscribe below to see more. And if you guys want to share your art with us, we would love to see your art. We love art and we love pugs. So we'd love to see it. And you can share it with us on our website at www.artsystudio.com, or you can tag us at Instagram at Artsy Studio. So we hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.